What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the word of the day. Today's word is one of the most controversial words in the Chinese language. Many foreigners come over here, and oftentimes we hear this word, and it's like, dang, what did he just say to me? Or what did they just say? But trust me, it's not an insult in no way, shape, or form, or they even trying to insult you. But without further ado, today's word is that. That. Here's the Chinese characters. And here's the pinyin. How you would say it is naga. You would say it like naga. Technically, you would say nigga. So when we hear that word, it's like, dang, did you hear what we just said? Did you hear what they just said? And on social media, this word's been doing making its rounds. A lot of people been, hearing this word or seeing this word go around in certain videos from China. But trust me, guys, it's not an insult. So when you come to China and you hear the word naga, it means that. Naga.